Hey everyone, welcome back to Solution to Your Problems. If you are new here, I am Hamza Lareb and today we are diving into a topic that everyone loves: how to earn money online without any investment in 2024. If you have ever wondered how to make some extra cash from the comfort of your home, stick around because I have got some exciting options for you. Freelancing. First up, we have freelancing. This is one of the most popular ways to earn money online without spending a dime. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer your skills to a global market. Whether you are good at graphic design, writing, or even voice acting, there's a demand for your talent. Just create a profile, list your skills, and start applying for gigs. The more projects you complete, the better your ratings and the more money you can earn. Plus, you get to work on your own terms. Remember, it might take some time to get your first job, but don't get discouraged. Consistency is key. Online surveys and microtasks. Next on the list is online surveys and microtasks. Websites like Swagbucks, Amazon, Mechanical Turk, and Inbox Rollers pay you to complete small tasks like surveys, watching videos, or even playing games. These tasks might not pay a lot individually, but they can add up over time, especially if you are consistent. The best part, you can do this while watching TV or during your commute. Just be careful of scams, only use reputable sites, and don't pay to sign up for any survey platforms. Affiliate marketing. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, website, or even a social media following, you can earn money by promoting products. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer affiliate programs where you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. All you need to do is sign up for an affiliate program, choose the products you want to promote, and share the links. When someone makes a purchase using your link, you can earn percentage of the sale. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to promote products you genuinely believe in. Your audience will trust you more and you're more likely to make sales. Content creation. Speaking of trust, content creation is another fantastic way to earn money online. Whether it's YouTube videos, blogging, or podcast, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and donations. Platforms like YouTube and Twitch allow you to earn money through ad revenue, while websites like Patreon and Ko-fi let your audience support you directly. The more value you provide, the more your audience grows, and so does your income. Just like any other method, it takes time to build an audience, but the potential is limitless. Plus, you are doing something you love. Online tutoring. If you have a knack for teaching, online tutoring is a great way to make money without investment. Websites like CheckTutors, Tutor.com, and even platforms like Zoom allow you to teach subjects you are good at, whether it's math, language, or even music. All you need is knowledge, a stable internet connection, and a passion for teaching. You can set your own hours, and often the pay is quite competitive. And the best part, you are helping others succeed while earning money. It's a win-win. Conclusion. So, there you have it. 5 ways to earn money online without any investment in 2024. Whether you chose freelancing, online surveys, affiliate marketing, content creation, or online tutoring, there's something here for everyone. Remember, the key to success is consistency and patience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friend, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and solution to your problems. And let me know in the comments which method you are the most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.